Right, okay, let me share the screen. Just a minute, guys. Let me share the screen. Right, okay. So backup compression is very useful option. Okay. So with the backup compression, you are going to save lot of time, lot of storage. That means lot of money. Right. See, imagine copying a 100 GB file will take more time, or copying a 15-20 GB file will take more time.
15 GB.
Which will take more time, 100 GB or 15 GB?
100 GB, sir.
100 GB file will take more time. Writing a 100 GB file will take more time, or writing a 15 GB file will take more time?
100 GB.
100 GB, obviously. So imagine for taking a backup of 100 GB, if the backup file size is 100 GB, it might take 2 hours. But if you enable the backup compression, it can take for 15 GB, means it can compress the backup and the backup file can be 15 GB. So hardly it will take 15 minutes to 20 minutes. You are saving almost 80% of time also. So backup compression is very useful option. Generally, you can see set backup compression is use the default server setting. If you click here, you can choose compress backup, do not compress backup. But every time no need to select this option. Generally, this option will be enabled. You can enable this option on the server level. If you enable this option on the server level, okay, database settings, if you enable this option on the server level, so if you are taking any backups, okay, if you are taking any backups, it by default it will take the compression. Is it clear, guys? Now no need to select whether you need a compress backup or no, do not compress backup. So if I click OK, what type of backup it will take, compressed backup or uncompressed backup?
Compressed.
Compressed backup. Why? Because I have already enabled the setting on the server level. You can see here, use the default server setting, means on server level if backup compression is enabled, it will take the backups with compression. If it is disabled, it will take the backups without compression. That's it, guys. That's it. Click OK. You can take the full backup of the database. This is how usually will take the full backup, guys. And again, sometimes they will ask some tricky questions. What is your biggest size in your project? What is the size of the biggest database? What is the size of the biggest database in your project or in your company? And we will tell 1 TB or 2 TB. The answer you can tell 1 TB, 2 TB, you can tell 3, 4 TB also, but don't go for a very big database. 1 TB, 2 TB is a medium database, okay? Then immediately they will ask one more question. How much time it will take to take the backup on this 2 TB database? How much time? A real-time guy only can answer this. How much time it will take to take the backup, full backup on 2 TB database? Generally, guys, for 1 TB you can count 45 minutes to 1 hour. For 1 TB it will take 1 hour. 2 TB means hardly it will take 1.5 hour. Hardly it will take 1.5 hour. The server is speed. Okay, if the server is good server, it might complete in 1 hour 15 minutes, sometimes 1 hour also. So for 1 TB, tell them 30 minutes to 1 hour it will take. For 1 TB backup, 30 minutes to 1 hour. So if you are saying 3 TB, calculate it. Okay, 3 TB means hardly to take 2 hours to complete. Okay, 1 TB means 30 minutes to 1 hour. 30 minutes is the best case, 1 hour is the worst case. The server is slow and all, or busy with other processes and all, it will take 1 hour to take the backup of 1 TB. Or if the server is free, it is like it's not busy with other processes and all, it might take 30 minutes to complete the backup of a 1 TB database, guys. Okay, right? So this is the questions you will get from the full backup. Okay, so now I'm trying to take the backup. Okay, new query using a query, guys. Okay, full backup. I'll try to take the backup using a query. So can anyone tell me what is the query? Can anyone try? Try me at least 2-3 keywords, guys. Try. Just try 2-3 keywords. What keywords will be included in the full backup?
Sir, full backup, sir.
Database name,
Very good. Database name. Next.
kind of backup. Full
Very
backup.
good. Very good type of backup. Next.
Date.
Date. Okay, that is file name. It includes file name. Okay. So
Location
the
to be stored.
path. We can say path. Okay. Path.
Ah.
Very good. Yeah. So the command is backup. What you are doing? I am doing a backup. What backup? Database backup. Backup database. What type, on what database you are taking the backup? I am taking backup on Azure database. Database name, backup database name. To where, to location, to path, to disk I am taking is equal to, what is the file name? Azure underscore. What is the date today? What type of backup it is? Full backup underscore. What is the date? 19/6/2022.
19th.
Right? .bak. So now if I execute this query, will it be successful or it will failed? If it is failed, what kind of error you will get? Try it, guys. It's very simple. Okay, just tell me. If I click on execute, okay. If I click on execute, it will execute.
Yes.
Okay, won't be failed.
Yes, sir.
There are two challenges here. There are two challenges here. Okay, what are those two challenges? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, path is not there. Okay,
AGO
path.
file is not there.
Sorry, which one? Which one?
AGO file, sir.
AGO file. What is that AGO file?
Already file existed.
Okay, file existed, so you might get an error, right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So let's first of all let's check the last backup. This is the last backup, guys. We took using GUI, right? So this is the last backup. So listen carefully. What I'll do now, file is already there, the same name, right? In this location, we have file with the same name. So what we can do, okay? Let me drag this down. Okay. So already the file is there, Azure full 19/06/2022.bak. So what I'm going to do, I'll give just underscore 2. Guys, in this, I'm sorry, underscore 2. Okay, underscore 2 means second full backup. Right. So now if I execute, will it be successful or it will throw error?
Successful.
Maybe overlap issue.
Overlap issue. Okay. Right. So there is no path, right? To which path it will take the backup. You have to provide the path. To which path it will take the backup if you don't provide the path. I only gave the file name. I haven't gave like C drive or D drive or any location. It was not mentioned in the query, so it will be
By
failed.
default, it will take.
By default, it will take C drive.
Taken.
Okay, by default it will take the backup folder in the C drive, right? So let's execute then. Let's click on this execute and it will be successful, guys. Okay. So path is not mandatory if you are taking backups to the default location. What is the default location? This is the default location. And if you see here, second file is generated. If you don't mention, it will take the backup to this location, guys. If you want to take the backup, my sir said, okay, no need to include the path and all. And if you take the backup, by default, it will go to this location. And if there is a free space in the C drive, why? Because in the organization, the database size and all are very big, right? If there is a free space in the drive, it will be successful, but your C drive will be completely full and then your server will be down. Okay. So by default, in your practice, usually if you don't include the path, I want to say path is not mandatory. If you don't include the path, it will take backup to the default location. But in the organization, will take the backup with the proper path and all. Right. Second thing, I can still take the backup with the same name, guys. I can still take the backup. Even though the file is existed with the same name, I can still take the backup, okay, with the same name. Won't throw any error. what it will do, it will overwrite. See the size here, what is the size? 459 KB. If I am just clicking, if I just click on execute, it will be executed successfully without any issues. And if you see here, the file size will be increased. 459 plus 459, 917 KB. If I execute again, one more 459 will be added. That is called 1375. So here by default it won't, what we can say, throw error, or it won't overwrite. It won't throw error that file is already exists, or it won't overwrite. If it's overwrite means it will delete the old file and it will create a new file with the same size, right? It will keep appending. It will add the new backup files to the existing backup set. So that is called backup set, guys. Backup set means one backup file, you can call it as a backup set. One backup file is a backup set. Here how many backup files are there?
3.
3 backup files means collection of backup set. You can call it as a media set. Collection of backup set is a media set. So by just looking the name of the file, can you identify how many full backups are there in this file? Can you identify?
No, sir.
No, we cannot identify. Why? Because we don't know the size, right? We'll deal lot of databases, hundreds, thousands of databases will deal. We can't remember each database size and each database backup file size and all. So you cannot say whether this is a one backup, whether this is a backup set or media set. You cannot tell by just looking the name of the file. It might contain a collection of backup sets, or it might be a single backup set. So it might be a media set, it might be a backup set. So you cannot judge whether this is a media set or backup set. So while restoring, you should be very careful. But 99% is no one will take the backups by giving the same name multiple times. But there is a chance that your backup set might contain 2-3 backup files also in the same file. Is it clear, guys? Now how to take the backups using query and challenges? Everyone, is it clear?
Sir, is it possible to see how many collections of backups?
We can see that. There is a query, or you can use during restoration. I'll show you. Whether it is a backup set or media set, I'll show you. Any questions in full backup, guys? Right. Let's go to the, yes, please. Okay, done. So let's go to the next backup, which is differential backup. So what is this differential backup? Listen carefully. So let me open this browser. Google differential backup in SQL Server. Let's go to images. So this one is a good image that you can easily understood, guys. Let me share image. Right. So listen carefully, guys. It's very easy. Differential backup is very easy, but very tricky. So differential backup, by definition, differential backup is a backup which will take the backup of all the changes, since last full backup. Differential backup is a type of the backup which will take the backup. Diff backup or differential backup will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. Whenever it is running, listen carefully, whenever this differential backup is running, it will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. Whenever it is running, it will take the backup since last full backup, guys. See, imagine every Sunday I'm taking full backup. Every Sunday I'm taking full backup at night 2 o'clock. Every Sunday. So every day, as discussed, every day you cannot perform full backup as it will take lot of time. First thing. Second thing is, okay, what we can say, it will take lot of time. And the second thing is like a lot of storage we have to use, okay, and lot of time also, right? So every day we cannot take full backup. So for that, but every transaction is very important. See, if you are taking full backup on Sunday, every Sunday, imagine up to next Sunday, if there is no safety to your data, it's very difficult, right? Again, the new full backup will be generated in the next Sunday. So up to next Sunday, if there is no safety for your data, it's very risky. So very regularly we'll take the backup. So we'll take the differential backups daily. So daily, every day, we'll take the differential backups. Night time at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, we'll take the differential backup. So whenever you take the differential backup, whenever you're running the differential backup, it always considers the last full backup. Since last full backup, how many changes are there? Okay, 2 records added, or 1 record deleted, or 1 record updated. All the changes, it will take the backup, guys. Your differential backup will take the backup of only the changes. Okay, it will take the backup of only the changes. So whenever you're running the differential backup, always it will take the backup from the last full backup. Always it will take the backup from the last full backup. Okay, it's a landmark kind of thing. Always it will take the backup of last full backup. Okay, if you see here, you will get an idea. At 7 a.m., I have 1 record in my database. At 10 a.m., someone took full backup. In the single day, okay, he is taking full backup and all. At 7 a.m., 1 record is there, and at 10 a.m., he took the full backup. So when you took the full backup, automatically it will take the backup of all the records, right? So the full backup file contains that 1 record. Agree, everyone? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Then at 1 p.m., 3 records are added. Second record, third record, fourth record. At 1 p.m., 3 records are added. So as per the definition of differential backup, as per the definition of the differential backup, what it will do? It will take the, what are the changes are there since last full backup? These 3 records are added, right? So if you take the differential backup at 2 p.m., it will take the backup of only changes since last full backup. Since last full backup, how many new records are added? These 3 records are added. So when you run the differential backup, it will take the backup of only changes. If you're adding the records, if you're deleting the records, if you're updating the records, that is a change, right? So differential backup, by default, it will take the backup of the changes since last full backup, right? Fine. So here, now at 4 p.m., now 2 more records are added. 5th record and 6th record is added. Okay, at 4 p.m. Now when you initiate the differential backup at 6 p.m., if you initiate the differential backup at 6 p.m., means 4 to 6, 2 hours. In these 2 hours, okay, how many changes are there? In these 2 hours time frame, how many changes are there generally?
6.
No, 2 only, right? Fifth and
Yes,
sixth
sir.
record is added. In these 2
Two more
hours, I am
added. Yeah.
asking. Yeah, 2 more added. So 2 changes. But when you take the differential backup at 6 p.m., it took the backup of almost 5 records. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why?
Meanwhile, you haven't performed full back.
That's okay,
After
right?
full backup,
Other than
whatever
full
is
back,
added, it will
As per
take the
the
differential backup.
as per the definition of differential backup, always it will consider the last full backup. So since last full backup, how many records are added? By that time, by 6 p.m., how many records are added? It will take the backup of all these changes. It will take the backup of all these changes. Please mute it. Please mute it. Okay. It will take the backup of all the changes since last full backup. Since 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., what are the changes are there? That changes will be covered in your differential backup. Always your differential backup will take the backup of the changes since last full backup. Now at 8 p.m., again 2 more records are added, 7th record and 8th record. Now, someone took the full backup at 10 p.m. Okay, someone took the full backup at 10 p.m. Right now, at 11 p.m., two more records are added, 9th record and 10th record. Now, if you generate a differential backup at 2 a.m., how many records you will get, guys?
2 records.
2 records. Why? Because what is the full backup time now? It was changed. Earlier it is 10 a.m. Now at 10 p.m. someone took the full backup. So since 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. what are the changes are there? Only 2 records are added. So if you generate a differential backup at 2 a.m. what are the changes? Since means the cycle is changed from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Once you took the full backup cycle will be changed. So again it will take the backup from 10 p.m. to the 2 a.m. that 4 hours. How many changes are there? Only 2 changes. So you can see 9th record and 10th record, the differential backup. Is it clear, guys? Differential backup.
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Only the thing is, always it will take the backup of the changes since last full backup. So if you are taking full backup weekly, Sunday if you are taking full backup, daily you are taking differential backup. So Monday differential backup contains all the changes since Sunday to Monday. Agree? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Tuesday
Yes,
differential
sir.
backup contains what
Next
changes it will
Sunday.
contain?
Monday,
Monday to
Monday and Tuesday.
Monday to Tuesday. Not Monday and Tuesday. Monday to Tuesday, whatever changes are there.
Monday to Tuesday.
Since Monday to Tuesday, it will take the backup of those changes. Wednesday, you are taking differential backup. What changes it will be there?
Monday to Wednesday.
Wednesday. Thursday, you are taking differential backup.
Monday to Thursday.
Thursday. Friday, you are taking differential backup.
Monday to Friday.
To Friday.
Saturday, you are taking differential backup.
Monday to Saturday.
Saturday.
Sunday, no need to take a differential backup. Yeah. Any
It's
issue?
a full backup.
Sunday is a full backup. Now again Monday you are taking differential backup. What changes it will be there?
Sunday you have taken
The
full
last
backup, no,
Sunday
sir?
to
Just
last Sunday to that Monday, just one day. So if your database is corrupted on Saturday, how many backups you will use to restore?
That
If your
means which
database is
backups?
corrupted, database backup, see, we discussed it till now, we discussed it only 2 backups, full and differential backup. Now,
That means
if your
differential backup.
database is corrupted, backups not corrupted, sir. I am saying database is corrupted. If your database is corrupted on Sunday, I'm sorry. Okay, Sunday morning, if your database is corrupted, how many backups you are going to use to restore? What are those backups?
Only 10 differential.
Two
Which
full
differential?
backups.
2 full backups.
Last full backup and the latest differential backup.
Okay.
I need answers from everyone, guys. I need answers from everyone. What and all backups will use? How many backups will use is the first question. What backups will use to restore? Okay, second question. I need answers from everyone. Please type your answers in the chat. How many backups? What backups will use?
When is it corrupted? On
Sunday
Monday?
morning. Sunday morning.
Okay.
At least to the best time, I have to get my database back. Not till the corruption time.
Is it
At
before
least to
the
the
full
best time.
backup or after the full backup?
No, Sunday night full backup will run. It's before the full backup. But okay, it's a good question.
Okay.
It's a before the full backup. I need answers from everyone, guys. How many backups? What backups you have to use? Send your
Sir, whole
answers there.
database corrupted, sir.
That's what, sir. Whole database itself corrupted. Only 2 answers I got till now. 3, 4, 5, Try to respond, guys. This is pakka interview question. This is pakka. There is no doubt about it. And you know the answer. It's very simple. As we discussed full and differential backup, you know the answer. Only 6 response I got. 7 more people has to respond. 8. What about others? 9. 5 more people. 4 more people. 4 more people. Four more people has to respond. 3. Right? Okay, chalo. I got only 11 responses. I'm not sure whether everyone is responded or not. Let's see. Full and differential. Achyut. We need full and differential only, but lot of differential backups are there. What differential backup you will use? Okay, 2 backups. Okay, and Sunil, last full backup and last differential. Okay, Giri, last full backup and differential backup. What differential backup, Giri? Okay, and Pratyusha, 1 full backup, Mondays to Saturday differential backup. Okay, good. Basha, last full backup and 6 differential backups. Okay, Pratyusha, Monday to Saturday differential backup, 1 full backup. Okay, 7, 3 backups. What are those 3 backups, 7? Full backup and latest differential backup, Achyut. Okay, and Vaibhav, latest full backup and 6 differential backups up to Saturday. Okay, Anil Reddy, 6 differential backups. Okay, and Basha, last full backup, last week full backup and 6 differential backups up to Sunday morning. Okay, Suresh, last week 8 backup and last 2 stored backups. What is this, Suresh? Last week 8 backup and last stored 2 backups. What is that? And get your answer, please. Right, okay. So the answer is, I'll tell you the answer and check how many of you are correct. Okay. Let me clear this. Right, fine. And where is the document? Not bad. Right.
Sir, we also need tail log backup.
No, that's okay. That's, we haven't discussed it till now, right? Till that's what I said. I don't want the complete backup. Okay, at least to the best time you can recover. Okay, right. We haven't discussed a tail log. We haven't discussed a log backup. That's okay. At least the best time you can recover till now. Okay, so you will restore, of course, full backup. Without full backup, you cannot restore any database backup, guys. This is for sure. Without full backup, you cannot take any backup. At the same time, without full backup restore, you cannot restore any other backups. So you will restore the last Sunday full backup. Okay, 1 full backup, which is last Sunday. Sorry for that. Right, and after this last Sunday, means if you restore till last Sunday, you will get the data till last Sunday, guys. You will get the data till last Sunday. This is the last Sunday, imagine, or this is the last Sunday. You will get the data till last Sunday. Monday differential backup is generating from Sunday to Monday, Tuesday, Sunday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday to Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday to Thursday, Friday, Sunday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday to Saturday. Sunday morning, right? Next Sunday morning means today morning the database is corrupted. I have 1 full backup and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 differential backups. So how many differential backups I have to use to restore? Of course, 1 full backup is, it's common, it's mandatory. After full backup restore, how many differential backups I have to restore?
1.
Last one.
Is it 1 or 6 or 4 or 5 or
6, sir.
1.
6?
Latest
sir.
differential.
Daily it takes the previous one also. So one is in.
Okay. Right, it's like a kind of patching, guys. Patching, imagine you are patching at this time. Okay, 619, you are patching today. So imagine you are patching SQL Server 2017. The latest patch is U28 or 29 that we have already patched. So if your manager asked you to patch your SQL Server 2017, what you are going to do? You are going to use the latest one, or you will patch U1, CU2, CU3, CU4, CU5.
Latest one.
Latest one, right? So I am already saying differential backup contains always last full backup to that particular time till when that differential backup is going to complete. Till that last point you will have changes. So remember one thing, this is very important interview question. You will get damn sure interview question. If anyone asked how many differential backups you use, always the answer is one recent differential backup. One recent differential backup. One recent differential backup. Always the answer is one recent differential backup after your full backup restore. Why? Because Saturday differential backup contains all the changes since last Sunday. Why again you will use 17th, 16th, 15th, 14th, 13th and all. One recent differential backup is enough. So the answer is one recent diff backup, which is Saturday's one. Diff backup is enough so that you will get the data till Saturday. Imagine you are taking differential backup every night at 2 a.m. So the database is kept on Sunday morning, right? So if you restore full backup, you will get the data till last Sunday. Till last Sunday you'll get, and if you restore recent differential backup, you will get the data till Saturday. I'm sorry, night 2 a.m. Till Saturday night 2 a.m. you will get the data. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear about the differential backup, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Can we proceed, guys? How to take differential backup and all? Right. Then let me go to the server. Right. Okay. Differential backup is also very easy, guys. Simply you have to choose differential backup tasks. Backup means the full you have to choose differential. Okay. You can remove the old path, and again, of course, but you want to change the file name, right? So remove it. Click on add. Click on browse. Path I'm keeping as it is. Okay, I'm not changing the path. Backup location is same. Here I'm giving Azure underscore diff backup underscore. What is the date today? 19/6/2022 .bak. For diff backups also we'll use .bak extension. Click OK. Click OK. Remaining everything is same, guys. Done. That's it. This is how we'll take the differential. Only thing is you will change the differential here, and you will give the proper name. Okay, so this is how we'll take the differential backup, guys. And using query, how will you take the differential backup using query? Backup, what backup? Database backup. What is the name of the database? Azure. To which location? To disk is equal to. Just a minute, it was disconnected. Right. To disk is equal to same. You have to always string. String means character type of data. You have to keep it in a single quotes, guys. Okay. Azure underscore full, not full, diff backup. Okay, same. The concept is same. If you give the same file name to the same location, it will take it. No issues. But what happened, guys? This is the actual differential backup. Okay, which is the size is 44 KB, and which we took using GUI feature. Okay, if you take a differential backup with same name, it will take the backup to the same location, and it is going to append to the existing backup set. Okay, so I don't want to append. I want to create a new backup file, so that I'll change the file name underscore Okay, and date is 19/6/2022.bak. That's it, guys. Right, if you select this and execute, it will take the, I'm sorry, come on, this is a full backup query, right, with a differential. Okay, you have to use one command called with a differential. Anyhow, it took the full backup, right? So let me change the name and differential. Okay, so Azure underscore differential, I just changed the name. Okay, so I have to use this keyword with differential. If you don't use with keyword with differential, then it is a full backup. If you use with the differential, means it's a differential backup. So you have to use, see here, earlier it took 368 pages, right? Means the whole database. Now you have to execute. It won't take that much backup this time, 40 pages only. Okay, backup database with differential successfully processed, 41 pages. Okay, in this much time, 50 seconds. Okay, so it will work like this. This is the speed, 6.406 MB per second. It just copied that data from your database to the backup file. Okay, so this is how we'll take the differential backup using command and GUI. Any questions, please?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, on Sunday morning, database has got corrupted,
Hmm.
and Saturday night, at Saturday, at what time you have taken the differential backup?
2 a.m.
2 a.m. From
Mhm.
2 a.m. to Sunday morning, if there are any
I'll cover
changes,
now. I'll cover now. Okay, we have lot of things to cover, lot of other backups to cover. Okay, that's why I asked you that question. The best time to recover the database. As of now, we discussed only differential backups, right? The best time to recover the database is up to differential backup time, which is 2 a.m. You can cover the database till 2 a.m. But what about the 2 a.m. to Monday morning? Imagine your database is corrupted Monday morning at 7 a.m. So, sorry, Sunday morning at 7 a.m. So last night 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. How many hours? 5 hours data. How you will get that 5 hours data? That can be achieved using log backups. Log backups. Okay,
log.
that can be achieved using log backups. So log backups will help you. Log backups will help you to take the backup of the log files. Log backup will help you to take the backup of the log file, only log file. See, your full backup and differential backup will take the backup of your data files and log files, your full and differential backups. Whereas your log backup will take the backup of only log file, guys. Very important backup, log backup.
Sir, log file means
Wait,
LDF, no,
wait,
sir?
wait, wait, wait. Okay, so guys, it is showing 1 minute. So take the break of 10 minutes. Okay, we'll connect at 8:30 again and we'll discuss these backups. Okay, right, fine. Let's reconnect at 8:30, guys.